Hi guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2016 Kubota B2650 compact tractor with the LA 534 quick attach loader. This is going to have an RCK 60-30BA 60-inch belly mower deck. This tractor is set up just the way you'd want it with the R4 tires. This tractor has 384 hours on it. It is a very, very nice clean tractor. We have just done a complete and full service for it. And yes, in the pictures, the tilt steering column boot is missing. It was torn. We went ahead and removed it, cleaned it, and we have it on order. It'll be in next week, and we are going to install it on the tractor, but yes, that will be taken care of. We're going to start here underneath the hood. The tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. The B2650 is as big a tractor as you will buy before you go to admissions. So it is a 26 horse non-admissions engine. No DPF, no urea, no afterburner, no anything. It is 100% still will roll coal out the exhaust pipe. Right, Braden?
Yep.
So we've done a complete and full service. All filters and oils have been changed. This tractor is 100% ready to go to work. There is no issues whatsoever. If you have any questions on that, please let us know. We'll gladly help you. But again, this tractor has been serviced and ready to get to work. The tractor is going to have the LA 534 quick attach loader on it, 2-pin skid loader quick attach, 60-inch bucket. The bucket is in excellent condition, cutting edge is excellent. Up top here, somebody had drilled a hole and they had put a ball there for moving a trailer around. That's why that's like that. Again, the R4 tires. Deck is in very good condition. Drawbars with it, 540 PTO. I have ordered a brand new top link, and I will put a top link on it. I'm waiting on it to come also. Actually, believe somebody took it here on our lot. Toolbox is there, folding roll bar. Up here, you're going to have your selection of low, medium, and high range. PTO selection of mid and rear, rear, or just mid. PTO engagement, forward reverse pedal. Joystick loader control, full drive in and out, up and down for the mower deck. Throttle. Here is going to be your hours, 384. Again, we are going to replace this boot cover. Tilt wheel, 4-ways turn signals, independent brakes. I'm going to go ahead and fire this tractor up. I'm going to run around and show you what it's supposed to do. Here we go. that rubber piece to come in and the top link. We will have that all replaced. Tractor's fully serviced. All filler goals changed. New ready to go to work. 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. We're glad to help you in any way that we can. Again, I'm Nick Mower, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.